Hello City fams, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Give this video a like. Now, famous dancehall artist Lisa Hyper, she really threw it out there that, she's going through a lot. She lost a child. And if this is true, my condolences to Lisa Hyper. I know she's probably going through it right now. Anywho, now she said a couple of things that really made people raise an eyebrow. She allegedly mentioned that Dexter Daps is the father. Mind you, he allegedly came out to deny those claims, to say, this ain't true. Some people were saying, oh, she's going off again. This is something that she always do. She come out, act insane, and then she hibernates. Now, some other people, they were saying, oh, probably Vybz Kartel isn't giving this woman much attention, because Vybz Kartel is just so focused on himself. He just got out of prison. It's been a very long time. He has a wife, Saddam, and he's in love with his wife. So, of course, been in jail for years, been in prison for years. There's a lot of people that he wants to engage with. He's like a world star. He's going to go places. He recently got back his US visa. So, of course, he's doing business, music business. He's loved by so many people. So he's busy. And apparently, she mentioned that, Vybz Kartel promised to help her with her career, and he allegedly didn't. Like, he's so focused on other things. And this is my problem. Why people think they're so entitled, for other people to help them. Like, you're an artist. You are already established. You were doing your thing, and the man just got out of prison for serving years upon years, and he still owes you something. Now, she went on The Fix, this podcast interview, and at first she was behaving rude with one of the hosts, and I was like, really watching and listening to this lady, and I just realized that probably something is wrong with her. Like, and I'm a Caribbean girl, and I think people, they're so quick to bash you as, oh, you're mad or you're mentally ill, but they don't really want to take the time out to help. Because I don't think me being under someone's comment section to say, oh, you're mad, you're mentally ill is helping the situation. I think people should take this very serious. Whoever is responsible for Lisa Hyper, girl, sir, madam, whoever it is that's responsible for her, get her some help and keep her away from social media. I think she's very talented. I think, she might have some good attributes about her, but right now she seems to be spiraling, and that's all I have to say. But let me know what y'all think about the situations. I'm going to drop a couple of her videos that she posted on her Instagram, and I think the lady's just crashing out. But let me know. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video. Share if you care. And see you guys another time.